I thought I'd talk to you a little bit about Professors Without Borders. Professors Without Borders is my baby, besides my other two babies, and my youngest is its 11th birthday today. So I created Professors Without Borders 3 years ago. Why? Because I saw that there was a powerful story to be told. I myself, a visiting lecturer at Regent's University and other universities, found that my students, they were brilliant, don't get me wrong, really fantastic students from fantastic backgrounds, really, really wonderful, engaged. And I said, this is great, but it's so unfair. It's so unfair. We're sitting here in London, we're all privileged, everyone in this room, if I may say that like that. And so I said, why can we not bring all of this to everywhere in the world? It's possible. We just need to tell the story right, so that tribes join me into the endeavor of Professors Without Borders. So Professors Without Borders, our story has come now that we work in 8 countries, working with governments, institutions, business people, and students. The triangle of change, that is that story. A powerful one, which is only to grow. We had this weekend our first conference at LSE, where we received ministers of education from Lebanon, from all over the place. People traveling in from Colorado, the US presidential candidate. And why? Because they understand the story of Professors Without Borders. They understand what is to be done. And so if you can, as we learned yesterday as well, within a tweet, within a short message, communicate your story and say, this is us, this is my product, this is my company, this is me. Whatever your story is that you want to tell, then you're a winner. So here you see some little Snapchats of it. That was my first class that I taught in Sierra Leone. And I cannot tell you how terrified I was. Because obviously with storytelling is one thing. It's a powerful thing, but it is a thing that often, and Vice is very good actually at not doing that. For me, often stories can be biased. Vice tells both sides, but our own stories, you know, we as human beings, obviously in our stories, we don't want to always say the little notches on the side and the little things that did not always go right. But that is where it goes wrong, right? Where it really is strong. If you have the courage to stand up and say, this is me, this is my story, this is my brand, this is our product, and we believe in it because it changes people's lives, and it does all of that, and it does then you are a winner. So that was the class, and that was me. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed it.